Yo, what's up, bro? I'm not gonna waste your time. So, the first food that can actually very highly boost your testosterone are eggs. Now, eggs are a very good source of protein, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and cholesterol. Cholesterol especially is like a factor in this because cholesterol is actually like the backbone of making testosterone. So testosterone, like, if you know how you if you're a human, you didn't have your spine, you couldn't be a human. You'd be dead. You couldn't move. You couldn't do anything. That's the same thing with this. Like, cholesterol is kind of like your spine, your backbone, your muscles, like the building block of the first, like, building block of testosterone to make it. So you need cholesterol in your body to make testosterone, and the more you have of cholesterol, the more testosterone you will make. So eggs are a big thing in this with cholesterol, because eggs are high in cholesterol, like good cholesterol, dietary cholesterol. Protein also helps with muscle building, which can help a little bit with testosterone, and so can protein, like protein just itself. Vitamin D, their studies found that vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids are important for raising testosterone. So eggs are the perfect food for raising your testosterone and for your testosterone, for your health, reproductive health. Number 2, oysters, actually. So oysters contain the highest amount of zinc in any food. Now, per serving. So zinc has been found to be a testosterone booster. So zinc boosts reproductive health, which is where testosterone is made. So more testosterone is made, and you get boosted reproductive health along with that. So that's very oysters high in zinc. So that's another good food to boost your testosterone. Number 3, steak. So red meats are also high in zinc, but they're also high in protein, boosting your testosterone and muscle building capabilities. So zinc and protein. But then also, when you eat steak, it's kind of like hard to chew a little bit. It's a little bit hard to chew. It's like tough on your jaw a little bit, because it's not like this soft like chicken nuggets you've been eating this whole time. The steak, it's like it strengthens there's like a muscle here. It's called like the masseter. It's right here. It makes your jawline more sharp because you develop that muscle more chewing like harder foods. So steak is a big testosterone booster and like masculine booster. So the 4th thing is actually ginger, which you probably weren't expecting. You probably weren't expecting ginger, like something like that. But there's a study found in 2012 showing rats that took ginger for 3 months increased testosterone by 17%. I don't know. A study found that ginger raised testosterone in rats. Might have been an outside source, probably not, but ginger apparently raises testosterone. Number 5, and definitely this one, fatty fish. Fish is the primary source in your diet of omega-3 fatty acids. The more fatty the fish, the more you get of these acids, because omega-3 is like a type of polyunsaturated fat. So the more fat is in the fish, the more polyunsaturated fat in the fish, the more omega-3s you'll be getting, which boosts testosterone. Most omega-3 supplements are actually fish oil. So this kind of proves that fish has a lot of omega-3s, and I take fish oil because I hate eating fish. I think it's disgusting. A lot of people love it. I think fish is disgusting. So I take fish oil because omega-3s are really important and they boost your testosterone, which I'm not getting a lot of them. The only source I get them from nuts, and I don't eat like a ton of nuts. So I take fish oil. But fatty fish, like if you like fish, definitely fatty fish is a big thing for omega-3. So fatty fish boosts your testosterone. Number 6, extra virgin olive oil. This is another one you probably weren't expecting, but this is one of the best things to cook in, other than like butter and avocado oil. But it's also most of the time it's actually like in a glass bottle, so it doesn't hurt like the plastic. It's usually not packed in plastic, so usually it doesn't hurt your testosterone. The packaging, like even in like a normal supermarket, most of the extra virgin olive oil is in like in the glass bottles, the amber glass bottles or the green ones. So it's one of the best things to cook in other than butter. And things like seed oils and vegetable oils actually can lower your testosterone, so they're really bad. And olive oil, if you're going to use an oil, so either use butter or like olive oil or sometimes avocado oil, but usually that's in plastic bottles. But plastic, the avocado oil is like the oil itself in the avocado oil itself is actually good, is fine, like also but olive oil can boost your testosterone. Not quite boost, but it improves your reproductive health. There are studies shown that olive oil can increase your reproductive health, and which means you have higher chances of having children, better testosterone production. So if you use seed oils or vegetable oils like soybean oil, rapeseed oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, corn oil, rice bran oil, all these like vegetable and seed oils are really bad. So you should probably make the conversion over to olive oil or butter. I'd say olive oil because it boosts your testosterone. But butter is also really good to cook in. Now the seventh and final thing that boosts your testosterone is actually onions. I don't know, onions, there was some study done on rats again for 4 weeks. They took onion juice, it increased their testosterone levels. I don't know, apparently onions increase your testosterone level, so maybe maybe start eating onions. Alright, man, see ya.